Hey, multifamily investors. I just finished an unannounced asset management tour of one of my properties. I basically like to do that a few times a year, and I want to share with you 3 things that I noticed in the inspection that could really make a difference. The first thing is that we noticed a car that is parking in an area which is blocking the dumpster. That specific area has a yellow square which is painted very clearly. This is a not parking area, and that car apparently, while talking to other residents, is consistently parking in that area. So we identify who this car belong to, and we're going to address that so the dumpster truck don't have a problem or restriction when they're coming to empty the dumpsters twice a week. The second point that I noticed is that the front door of an apartment which is renovated was not painted black. We like to paint them black when they are completely turned, and we put a new number on it. So that's going to be addressed. The third point is the countertops in the kitchen countertops and the vanity countertops in the bathroom. Those 2 countertops are still the dated original 1988, if you like, Formica top. What we like to do is we like to spend $250 only and get them resurfaced. They look really nice. It popped it out to be really nice surface with a bit of a feel for it and like a stone finish. We used to do granite when we started turning those apartments, but we identified that we can achieve the same rate, premium rent, without spending the money on the granite. So in this particular asset, we are going to do, we're doing surface renews. So these are the 3 tips that you notice when you go, and there's many other things that you can notice when you go and do those unannounced inspections. Very important. Luckily, we had a unit that was just about to get turned. It's vacant, it's almost ready, but we're going to take care of it. Stay tuned, see you soon, and make it happen.